What we have here is a silly quorum. Yes, this is one of the only quorums that I possess. This is a Quorum Electra. This thing's weird. It was one of Quorum's weird contemporary designs of the 90s. Maybe very early 2000s, honestly, I don't know. I have yet to see this thing in a catalog that didn't last for very long. That much I do know, because these things... you don't see them. You don't. So this thing, it's 3-blade, 52-inch span. Clear plexiglass blades. Glass housing. Uses a Gu10 halogen bulb out the bottom. And you might be thinking, no switches on the fan. How is it controlled? Wall control? Probably. But wait, there's more! Yeah, you see the nice little Q emblem there? Surprise, motherfucker! Yeah. Those Q emblems are actually pullchain fobs. There are 3 of them. That one in particular is for reverse. The one here controls the light. It's a 50-watt Gu10 halogen bulb. It's not very effective. It's only effective as a straight down light. So anyway, let's see how this thing performs. But before we do that, look at the blades. Yep. Clear plexiglass, contoured. They're very reminiscent of industrial blades. But keep in mind, this is Quorum that we're talking about, and Quorum has always been a second-rate showroom brand. So let's see how it performs. Starting on low. It is 3 speeds, reversible, as you may have figured out already. One chain does the speed, one's for the light, and the other one is for reverse. Although with this blade design, the function of reverse is rather unnecessary. If I had to guess, I'd say this thing has a 153 by 18 millimeter spinner motor in it. It has a relatively aesthetic low, almost bordering on normal. The chrome ball socket canopy, or not canopy, the mounting bracket didn't come with this fan, it came with something else. And this fan didn't have a canopy when I got it. Now to medium. Starting to move some air now. And since it's a quorum, it hums. The model number for this fan is 17523-14. The 14 means chrome. It's a Finnish code, kind of like how Casablanca used it. The 17 indicates the actual model name. The 52 indicates the blade span, and then the 3 indicates the number of blades that it has. That's how Quorum's model numbers are deciphered. Let's get a strip pie. In terms of performance, I'd say it has an edge over the Nutone Proline II. Which is kind of surprising, but oddly enough it's true. Because if you know anything about the Nutone Proline II, or Proline III, they're the same thing, you'll know that they are shit. They are slow, which leads them to move nowhere. Yeah, they're garbage. They're scrap metal. But this thing, it wasn't really meant to be an industrial. It was more, it was really designed to mimic an industrial. It has industrial cues, industrial styling bits, but no, it's definitely not an industrial in terms of functionality. It is cool though, and it does move a bit more air than your average, you know, 52-inch fan. Although the speed is still pretty slow for this fan on high. So it, in actuality, might be about, I'd say, average to above average in terms of airflow. Ooh, is it cool. Doesn't have any wobble either, oddly enough. The only other nitpick I can think of aside from the average to whatever performance is the hum. It has a slight moan to it. Of course, gets increasingly quiet as you wind it down to low speed and then to off. And there you have it, a Quorum Electra.